Dude, you're 30, right?
Yeah, I'm 30 now. Yeah.
Kaushik's 28.
What?
Just when you thought things were normal, here we are again for our podcast, Local Guys and everything. Today we're having a live podcast. What I like about live podcast,
I like it, Kaji.
and so let me introduce everyone today. My name is Kaushik. This is Aditya. Then we have Hari. I actually like doing this because when I point, I can actually point at you guys. Before video call, I point at who I'm pointing at. Yes, Hari, Aditya, Jesus. They were looking up. And today, for the first time, we have Amar today. You see,
Let's clap for myself.
Exactly. What makes Amar different from us three, apart from basic physical fitness, is he has a reputation. He had this podcast. Yeah. Can you hear the unfollowing right now?
I
Can you hear the cancer?
didn't know this was going to be cringe.
Hi. And fun facts also, last week me and Amar had our birthdays on the same day, Feb 18th.
So belated
Shameless
happy
plug-in,
birthday
hashtag.
in the comment section, please. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Comment down below, happy birthday.
Yeah.
But fuck.
and we actually released a video, in Yin Yang, that is when you and your friend have birthday on the same day. Like I am sending to people, like today's my birthday, here's a video.
Correct.
Don't forget to wish. Where's the treat? I'm treating with entertainment.
You can see the preview somewhere on the screen.
Right now, I'm
Yeah.
going to play that right now.
Editor, please take care of it.
Exactly. And yeah, for my birthday, I'm going to get really high. Talk about high. Have you seen the petrol rates?
That was completely unplanned. That was not planned.
We planned for like 50 minutes
Half an hour,
on
I
that
set
one
it up.
segue.
Half an hour, I'm like, okay, fine. High, 7 petrol. This thing, how is it going to work? Seriously, what are the petrol rates? How are they much?
Petrol rates now apparently in Rajasthan, it's 100 rupees.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
A liter. That was like, that used to be a joke, a running joke when previous government was there. Right now it's like, yeah, government needs money, we are doing it. We don't care. But it's nice. I mean, I don't know how people are
They
riding
say
it.
nice for everything.
Yeah,
How
it's
is it?
nice. It's nice because people won't drive more.
Huh?
At least there'll be less traffic.
I know.
Yeah,
It's finally for the water cars to come out. I've heard about cars that can actually run on water.
Exactly.
Imagine your car runs, you have to pee in the car to make it work.
Not even kidding. Someone did that actually. I don't think.
There is engines
Yeah.
that run on water.
Wait. Someone actually peed to make his car start.
Yeah, I've heard about that. I don't know if it's a thing, but I just heard about
As
it.
me and Aditya being engineers, we can approve that. That's a stupid idea. But the thing is, the only thing that we can run right now with water is like this big of an engine.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure about it. But then again, I think this is government's way of saying switch to electricity, motherfuckers.
True. Yeah. They're trying to put some pressure on us, right?
Exactly.
Twist our arm.
I mean, never. You're always diesel.
I mean, we are brought up with pressure since childhood. Always pressure. Study 9th ka pro, 8th ka pro, 9th, 10th, 11th.
That's actually true. They always use these as weapons against us. Fear, pressure. But I think
I see another
India
segue.
runs on pressure. That's what our tagline should be.
India runs the pressure.
India's a
Thank
pressure
everyone.
cooker.
The Republic of India. We run on pressure.
Baby, what's the name? We threw out his name!
I saw my first, I think the oldest.
We're talking
English
about
movie-
first porn right now.
No, like
Okay, no.
the first English movie that I ever remember seeing is the Titanic. And especially the one scene where Jack and Rose are getting very explicit. And I remember seeing this, like sitting beside my dad. That's like, I'm like, why? I don't know what this is, but it is. But after
it's
when I-
doing something to me. Something's happening.
Mention this, I really have to. Like when we started this, we thought we were going to talk about movies. And we're talking space, we're talking books. I'm like, fine, books, we can stick this. Then so porn. So my first video I saw was the naked scene. I'm like, oh my god, talk about movies now. This is the segue for the movies.
It's not porn. That's not porn, man. That's beautiful.
It's
Beautiful. It's erotica.
It's erotica. It's like
Yeah.
nice. It's love.
It's sensual.
Rose was an ass.
You know what?
Rose was
you know
an
what
ass.
erotica is? Erotica is a word girls use to get caught for seeing porn. It's erotica. There's some nasty shit, woman. What is that?
His words not. I'm just washing my hands.
No, I say the slide. Where's everyone gone? Where did you go?
Okay.
Yeah. Titanic was the first movie that I remember seeing. But then my parents used to force me to watch English movies because I used to speak with a little bit of a Tamil accent.
Oh.
And வீட்ல வந்து Tamil
Talk about learning curves, right?
Yeah. And because I learned like I used to speak Tamil at home, Hindi with my friends and English with my teachers.
Right.
Like I had to learn to speak trilingual, not even like lingual, like trilingual. And my Hindi was so bad at that time, man. Like
Kawaji.
that is even better, dude. I used to literally like Mahira.
What?
What?
Mera.
Okay.
No, it was that bad. Like
Someone should walk and I can explain. How it sounds like.
no, because then my parents had to send me to Hindi tuition as well.
The tuitions.
Yeah, and then my tuition teacher is like, his Hindi is not getting better. he needs to watch more Hindi movies. So my Hindi tuition teacher
I thought
put
they
me
were
on
doing
Hindi
doctor fight or
movies.
something, you know, like.
My Hindi teacher put me on Hindi movies. My English
What
teacher
are you talking
My
about?
Hindi, my Hindi
So I
teacher
got
put
some
me in Hindi
No,
movie.
that's what I was prescribed.
Right.
And it's like
Some
should he
openings
read
like Karan
movies?
Johar.
Should he read books? No. Make him watch movies.
Watch movies,
And
yeah.
that's how I fell in love with
Why did you
movies.
tell him make you him books? Don't make him see some movies.
But no, that's how.
Nice
like,
teacher.
That's the last and that's like nobody forced me, or I never was motivated. Like, oh my god, I want to like
Right.
feel the movies. I was like, I learned this way.
See some movies. See the Hindi movies. See Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Nah. I want to see Titan.
Oh my god, I remember seeing Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi
Talk
Gum.
about that. What is a classic movie you like from childhood? Like I can't forget this.
Oh, there's so many. Man. Like,
For me, it's Sholay.
oh yes.
Yeah, I've watched it like 100 times at least.
Oh, it's a
Yeah.
very nice movie.
I'm gonna walk.
Wait, are we
into
talking English
Oh,
movies?
so
Or?
good.
Let's just say any English movie.
In
whatever.
कुत्तों के
सामने
मत नाचना.
It's like an audition right now. But yeah, so I mean, any movie, English or Hindi, while growing up, you know, like, this is a landmark movie.
See, that's very tough to like.
You stayed up. What about you?
I'll talk about a traumatic movie. It was in the year 2004, I think.
So you saw woman give birth to one. That video. Okay.
No. No, you have to remember that I was like 4th or 3rd standard only. I watched Chandramukhi for the first time.
Why
I
was
couldn't
it
sleep
traumatic?
for 10 days. Because of
After
the
watching
post.
Chandramukhi?
Yes. Yeah.
Because someone flashed a torchlight on Jyotika's eyes.
Dude, I know, right?
Oh my god, that was
was.
right?
Yeah.
It was.
I
It
think
was
that's
so
the
freaking.
best portrayal of possession.
Yeah, man. I got super scared.
For me, it was Evil Dead, dude. When I watched Evil Dead when I was 6. In 6th standard, sorry.
So we're talking about dramatic movies. Mine is Hostel.
Oh, fuck, man. Okay.
For me, I would say it has to be Exorcist. When you see it on a laptop, the ghost. No. I went for Conjuring alone. Okay. I don't know why. Conjuring. I went alone. And
Did you hear something else? Did you hear? I heard something else.
the best part is I went alone. I don't know why. I was all pumped. I want to do this. And my family is next to me. Okay. And just say one really scary scene comes, and next to the father, the woman's holding the hand. His right hand is holding it. Like,
Talk about trauma. Did you see Human Centipede?
No, I haven't. I've read the plot. I've read everything about it, but I haven't watched.
Amar read the plot? Nope.
Yeah, I want to tell you a
one of
funny
the
story
most
about
horrible-
Conjuring. I watched the movie. I wasn't that scared, because I was all grown up and.
Also.
I'll tell you what happened the next day. My brother lives in the US, okay? And he lives very close to this place called Rhode Island. And I'm talking to him over the phone. I'm telling him, hey, I watched Conjuring, I didn't think it was that scary. You know what? That house is like 20 miles from my house. I was shit scared for the next 2 days. Because he told me it's based on a true life story, but we don't know what is true and what is not.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
even the I don't. Ed and Lorraine Warren, I guess.
Yeah, correct.
Lorraine.
Ed and Lorraine Warren.
Because I'm like, after that, I just googled them up. They're literally like.
Yeah, they're real.
They are,
You
yeah.
see a movie like it's absolute shit based on true story. Here's the photo.
But I'm pretty sure the way they show it in the movies is
It's
way more
But I'm
exaggerated. And
saying,
I'm sure slow motion walking.
even
there.
with that, movies based on true life incidents is always.
I feel the people see the movie
Kind of
like,
hits you.
Right.
People see the movie like that's me. I did that. I can dance like that.
That's why I like World War movies, even like what was the Indian war movies or something, historical based movies. Very like it's very nice to watch them because it's it's true.
right.
It
Yeah.
happened.
Bahubali, yeah.
Border. Have you guys watched Border by any chance? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's
Oh my god, the hand. That's how we need. We don't need AK-47s.
Right.
don't
All we
a
need is
hand-
Sunil Shetty, right?
We need a bloody hand pump.
Right.
But I would say a classic which I grew up English was Terminator 2.
Same here. Terminator
yeah.
2, all-time favorite. Yeah.
Like,
Terminator 2 in specific, right?
yeah,
I
like,
didn't watch
the
Terminator
best is
1.
he's going down like this. I'm like,
I cry
why are you
even
crying so damn loud?
even now. I cry when I watch that scene. It's so emotionally connecting, that movie.
And Robot
So well
Passport
written.
And all your assholes are like,
I think what would you say which movie made you cry for the first time? Like
Yeah,
you felt the plot.
have you noticed? Like,
Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind.
Oh, the one with Jim Carrey. in it? Yeah.
And Kate Blanchett.
Oh, I
Kate
haven't
Blanchett,
watched
or
it.
Kate, what Kate is that?
For me,
Kate
it's hard to choose because I've cried at a lot of movies.
No,
So
like which one is the first one that initiated everything?
Terminator 2, of course, and Pursuit of Happiness.
Was it a fact?
Pursuit of Happiness. It hits me in the gut each and every time I watch it.
For me, it's Into the Wild.
Okay, okay.
have you noticed something like in these real life movies, the parents and I don't give a shit on animated movie? that inside out, bro.
Yeah, seriously.
And the dog dies.
In-
You remember I am
Inside
like
Out.
a dog, they're like mother.
These Disney guys, they know how to write so well that
Yeah.
they, no matter how fantastical the movie is, you still connect with it emotionally because the writing is so good.
It's nice, and it's
Yeah.
also like very, like Moonlight was another movie which like, I saw and I'm like, what? How? It's such a great movie. Like movies are a way, like the stories that are said through movies are just amazing. Because while reading books you imagine it,
Right.
but movies are something you just have to keep in your hard disk. You can look at any time and you're like, wow.
Yeah.
It's like, why?
But again, coming back to obviously staying in the topic of movies, what would you say? Like all three of us, which would you say the most underrated movie is?
Most underrated movie?
Yeah.
Recently, I mean, there are a lot, of course, but recently I would say Dawn of Justice. The Superman versus Batman movie.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Oh, okay.
A lot of people loved the movie, but at the same time, they also slammed it for some reason.
Martha.
I absolutely loved the movie. From the opening scene where Batman is where Batman is running on the streets and he's looking out at the battle between Superman and Zod, I felt it was scene by scene beautifully executed. It couldn't have been done any better is what I feel about
It's
the movie.
because when someone says, I agree with you, because I'm like, okay, what do you want in the movie to get it better? Like, what's the thing?
I feel in the movie they had too much in it. They were like, they want to make like a full universe, this thing, all that, and they're like, we're establishing the characters, bring one woman with it. How much you want in the movie? Yes.
No,
Having a
because
fight.
our
No, you
movies are
have to do that, because you have to establish the
I feel
characters,
the
the
thing is,
universe.
Exactly.
Marvel had finished 15 movies universe. He's like, we want a universe right now. Second movie, so one universe right now. And then he
I
was
feel
like,
that the DC animated universe itself is like far better than the DC. What is it? The extended universe, DC.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What extended universe, man?
I think they're bringing it back.
What I loved was, I used to love Marvel movies, kind of, but I used to love the DC TV series.
TV
Arrow,
Right.
level
Flash,
Yeah.
DC Legends of Tomorrow.
Right.
Have you seen people bitch about Marvel movies like it's so commercial like that? I'm like, have you read comics? That is how they are.
Yeah, like,
They want to sell comics.
I
commercial.
remember I took a friend of mine to Thor, okay? I'm not and he, after the movie, without blinking his eyes, he was like, gee, energy power in this movie. I was like, hey.
What is he even talking about? Thor was super fun, right? It was so much fun.
No, because he obviously hasn't read
The comics?
so I'm going to give it to him. He doesn't
Yeah.
know. And now, I used to be like, bore adikidhu movie irukku polama. He used to come and paathitu energy power in this movie.
Talking about comic book movies, my most underrated movie is a comic book movie. Yeah, it's a 2010 movie directed by my most favorite director,
Yeah,
Edgar
you
Wright.
guess the game or something.
No,
like,
wait, I'm just
Fine,
building
after
up.
this break.
Yeah, so it was directed. அட இருடா. பேசுறதே கொஞ்ச நேரம் தான் இது. சரி, okay. Yeah, so it was directed by it was directed by my most favorite director. Okay.
You guys want to see a live mental breakdown?
Scott Pilgrim versus the Whole World. I
Wow,
think
that's an amazing
it
movie.
is
Yeah.
one of the most underrated. See, the thing is, like, a lot of people told that and the fans க்குலாம் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சு சரியா. But the thing was, a lot of people said that graphicsலயே வந்துட்டு ஓவரா வேஸ்ட் பண்ணியாச்சு. But the thing is, like, and the universe வந்துட்டு it was basically it needed it, and at the same time it was catering to its audience, which are the fans.
Right.
But a lot of people didn't like it, and they were criticizing Edgar for it. But man, like, that is one of the best movies, like, in a screenplay wise. The intelligence shown in that movie is like,
True.
It's just fucking brilliant. The way he cuts, the way he talks, that is clearly shown in Baby Driver also, his 2017 movie.
Oh, yeah.
That dude,
Sexy movie, right?
Yeah, that dude doesn't write the scene without finalizing the music for that. அந்த பாட்டுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி எழுதும்போது தான் okay, fuck this dude is a fucking
So he knows exactly what he wants when he sees, okay, this is what the score is going to be like. Cuts in the மாதிரி வர
பாட்டுக்கு ஏத்த
போகுது.
மாதிரி எழுதுறான்.
Which one do you think is one of the
I would say, you know, like, for movie wise, I'm a big sucker for the classic movies. I like a good Rambo, a good this thing. Like, you know, it's just like these punchlines, like all in Predator, Arnold stabs somebody. Like,
Dude, we all love these movies, but these are not underrated.
I wouldn't
Yeah,
know.
in any way.
I would say underrated. Like, I feel like when you compare those movies with these present movies, you just want some jacked up
I think
guy to-
this is where Kaushik's uncleness is coming out. Like his age. Because
Okay, boomer.
Because he's talking about Rambo to some kids. What is Rambo at all? It's underrated.
The kids have to know, man. The kids really have to know. Yeah, we have to do them the service of introducing them to
I
Rambo.
think one
Yeah.
of my underrated movies, definitely Tamil movies. I think Tamil movies are great because
True.
because like movies like Pisas and movies like Mercury explored such a
Yeah.
amazing thing, and no one, I think people don't talk about it much.
Right.
It was such a nice concept.
I mean,
It was a
Brand is
great
back
movie.
also
I'm
we
not
talk about,
I'm not even saying it's not a great movie. It's an amazing movie.
True.
But I mean, Tamil movies and Malayalam movies in general, like Virus was one movie that
Correct.
was really nice. Like I
Malayalam movies are not underrated anymore because I think world over people have started accepting Malayalam movies.
are directly world
Yeah, but you see,
movies, man.
I love it how you're speaking in Telugu, talking to Telugu movie fan. I
ఏమిరా నువ్వు?
Oh yes, I remember. I saw this guy's story one day of some.
தெலுங்கு இதை போட்டு வச்சிருக்கான். My respect for you just went very low.
entertained, my brain cells are dying. I'm like, what? There's a meme like, you know, you hear coronavirus, you won't feel any taste. People like Telugu movies.
God, you're gonna get hate for
The
this.
worst part is, oh yeah, no. But hey, but he's a big fan, okay, like I'm seeing him punch a car, the car flying, he could have broken 2 cars. So yeah, sorry for the cut and all we have. Talk about cut, you guys saw Snyder Cut trailer.
We did.
Segue much.
Wouldn't miss that for the world, man. I've been waiting from 2017 for the Snyder Cut. Yes.
Snyder Cut, I'm like this guy.
Okay,
I watched a stupid version of Justice League in 2018. I think someone told me it was the Snyder Cut. I downloaded the file, but it was not the Snyder Cut.
One hell of a Bond movie saw. Like Justice League.
It happened, right? It happened, yeah.
How much do you think the Snyder Cut can actually improve the fuck all movie that is Justice
First
League?
of all, I don't think Justice League was terrible.
It was
Yeah.
blah.
It was 2 movies. Like first half they're like building up, second half I'm like, wait a second, this is the same movie. And the most important thing is me and my friend like, is it me? Or is that does Henry Cavill look different? No.
CJ.
That was just one scene.
That was one
No,
scene. That
man,
was one
it
scene.
took, like, it cost millions and millions of dollars to like change that
To remove a
CGI, right?
mustache?
Yeah, that
Come on, I
mustache
have friends who can do it for free. For free, yeah.
Like they would have lost or not to shave his mustache with CJ for 2 million.
Millions of dollars. They could have funded Indiangas, man. Why would they waste?
Segue much.
I'm like, he could have shaved it.
Yeah.
And then put on a.
No, he was shooting Mission Impossible.
No, I'm saying if he wanted that, he could just put on.
What is he?
He didn't. I don't think he wanted to put on a fake mustache.
Yeah,
What
exactly.
rubbish.
So CG removing the mustache is okay.
What is he? Like Dabang Salman Khan. Hey.
Hey, that looks legit. The Dabang mustache looks legit, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, come on, which of you idiots like Dabang? Tell me. Like,
I love Dabang. Okay, I'm guilty. I love the first part. I don't know about 2 and 3, but yeah.
Dabang, all that.
I think Salman Khan was great in that.
12 stand in me. In the theater. Macha, you won't believe what I saw this movie right now.
You have to leave your brains at home when you're watching stuff like Dabang, man. Yeah.
Exactly.
Salman Khan is like the Indian version of Goku.
Oh, yeah.
Only thing is Goku one hit and run. He hit and stay there. So So yeah, to wrap this thing right now, like what are the movies upcoming which are we looking forward to? So you, what is that?
Drishyam 2 is already out. I want to watch it. I have like a movie date with my family tomorrow. I'm going to sit and watch it tomorrow.
That's why.
Okay, I'm waiting for Midnight in Soho, which is also an Edgar Wright movie. So yeah, that's a horror
What do you think
movie.
about the movie? Like,
Dude, I think like I'm just like I'm a bit confused because Edgar Wright is used. I mean, like he's known for his comedic, like visual comedy. But the thing is, I am not so sure how. Oh, okay. Blow Satamara.
Stop petting him, dude.
So yeah, that's what he does all the time. I like it though. Okay, no.
Oh. That's
Things
cute.
got weird.
That's not weird. That's
so,
cute.
It's a horror film. I'm a bit confused. Like I'm not so sure of how Edgar is going to do it. But Anya Taylor-Joy is also there, so I think அவளோட புது அது என்ன okay, what's her name? The Queen's Gambit பார்த்திருக்கேன் Netflixல. She is the star in it, and like have you seen what is it, Glass, and before that அந்த இது அதுக்கு
yeah, I
முன்னாடி
think
என்ன?
I've.
Which one? Glass?
Yeah, Glass க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன
Split.
படம்? Splitல
Oh.
வந்துட்டு she is the victim there. So
That's like a dream role for any actor, right?
she's an awesome actress. So
Shaidaman, you know.
Shyamala.
Shaidaman.
Night Shyamalan.
Fun fact, M.
Is he
Night
Malayali
Shyamalan
by
is
any
from-
chance?
No.
Shyamalan.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Pondicherry நினைக்கிறேன்.
So cool, man.
Yeah. M stands for Manoj.
What?
Oh, that's trivia that we didn't know.
Manoj Night Shyamalan.
For real?
For real, man. He's an Indian dude.
I know that.
We knew he's Indian, but I thought he sounded Malayali for some
Night
reason.
one interview, so I thought movie his classmate. Hi Manoj.
Sham. Ada Shama.
Wait, I think it's Kerala. I'm not sure if it's Pondicherry or Kerala. I'm confused on that part.
It's Earth.
Sorry, South India, but like yeah. And one more thing, talking about horror movies, it's rumored that Christopher Nolan is going to direct his horror movie next.
Wow.
He's going to be stepping into horror movies.
I don't know. Are you trying to start?
Where are the auditions happening by now?
I just got a rumor from this என்ன சொல்றது Film Geek website. I'm not sure. Is it Reddit or I'm not sure of that, but like they were
Are you
talking.
into conspiracy theories? Are you an anti-vaxxer?
Exactly.
No, but I do love some conspiracy theories.
I
I
would
mean,
say I
but
don't
it
like-
would
I
be
don't listen
interesting
to
to
that.
watch Nolan doing. I mean, after Dunkirk and Tenet,
Right.
now,
Yeah.
whoop,
It's
the
like
force has already come.
That's what she said.
it's like James Wan. You know, he can do anything. Horror. Then he did action movies. He did Aquaman.
Oh yeah, no.
I mean, I would love to see a DC movie directed by Nolan.
Oh yeah.
A DC movie, yeah.
Yeah, DC movie.
That's
அதுதான் வந்துருச்சுல Batman.
It's called the Dark Knight trilogy.
It's done. That one was like, no, that was not in the
Oh, you mean like a Justice League movie?
Hippo universe
he's
started.
panicking and like covering up like, oh shit, oh yeah,
No, he did that. No, I know, but not in this universe.
Right.
See,
So I'm like-
the Batman, the what is that? Pattinson movie itself is not a part of the DCEU.
Yeah,
It's like a different
I-
iteration of
yeah,
Batman.
I want Nolan to come and do a movie in this universe.
Yeah, like a Justice League movie,
That
full
That would
fledged.
be dope, right? Yeah.
Batman has already come.
Don't say that's what he said. I swear to God.
Yeah, we already told it once.
That's what Catwoman said. Yeah.
Have you seen Nolan explaining how he plots his movie? Like,
Yeah,
he
the first
promised
one.
One line like this.
Have-
was a
What is that?
nice
Mementoக்கு தான சொல்ற?
moment, but he applies it to most
But
of
I
his
still
movies.
No, like how does it? Like, see, what happens in Memento is like we have two different narratives. Okay, one being the first one and the forward la. இன்னொன்னு வந்துட்டு the.
How did that even come up? You know,
Like,
okay. Oh yeah.
முருகனோலன் அந்த இது தலைவர் என்ன?
Oh yeah, right. Memento, right?
Memento's Gajini's remake.
Yeah. See, actually.
Damn it, Gajini's Memento remake. Sorry,
So Memento அது எப்படி நடக்கும்னா you will see colored scenes and black and white scenes. Okay, colored scenes are the ones which are happening in reverse, but the black and white is the front
You
one.
don't pay your cable.
It's a bad joke.
I think I've heard people say, you know, you should never narrate a movie to A.R. Murugadas. He'll have a record under the table.
It doesn't like show intelligence in movie making, but like yeah, it's his style. He wanted to like.
Hey, what are you saying? Tupaki was a great movie. Yeah.
No, I'm saying
I
linear
took
styles.
my friends are
Tupaki and Mangata, man, like-
Except for the last fight scene, they could have used Vidyut Jamal way better.
Dude, yeah.
And even Ilayya Thalapathy is like super athletic, so they could have done something crazy.
My
Yeah.
favorite part had to be like he
I
fractured
mean,
up.
I wouldn't be surprised if Tupaki went from Tupaki to Sura and then Sura.
Nolan directed that. Woo! They would have gone back to the thing like that.
ரிவர்ஸ்ல வந்து அப்படியே ஷிப் மேல உட்கார்ந்து
Sine waves.
See,
What do you think must see? Oh shit, let's just
yeah.
Okay.
Dude, but I feel that Master was actually, I mean, like Amar was telling, Master is actually an underrated movie. I completely agree with
Seriously
that.
underrated. Tamil audience, please, we are trying to make something really crazy and good for you.
Yeah.
So it's high time that you embrace it. Yeah, that's what I would like to tell
See,
the Tamil
again,
audience.
Nagaraj like this video.
See, again, please try to understand, man. There's no such thing as like a Vijay fan, Ajit fan, or neutral fan.
Volume update.
See, the lusukkudigal. Okay, anyways, as I was telling, if they see if there's going to be
What happened?
what?
He's
What?
not red.
Yeah, I'm not- No, the thing is like if you have a good movie, anyone can watch it and anyone can become a fan of anyone, man. That's the
That's
thing.
true. That's true.
Yeah.
The piece of work has to be great. That's all right.
அதுதான்.
No, that's completely okay, but it shouldn't make us blind towards other people's
See,
work.
that is, I get
Yeah.
it. Like you shouldn't be. See, I love the bucket. I love Vijay
Right.
movies, but I am a Tala fan because my brother is a Vijay
அதுதான்
fan.
போன பாட்காஸ்ட்ல
No, but I
பார்த்தேன்.
think
No, the thing is, I love Mohanlal. I cried when Irfan Khan died. These guys are my favorite actors,
Did you
but I'm
see
not
this-
going to say someone else is shitty just because I love these guys.
Did you see Chetacha 2003 movie?
Which one?
Chetacha. What is that? Malayalam movie only.
Right?
Where that dude is both the Chetan and the Acha, meaning like enachuna
Okay.
the plot.
Why are you rapping? What happened?
The plot is Mohanlal's. I'm not sure if it's Mohanlal or Mammootty, but still okay. No, I didn't say racist. See, the thing is,
hate from Telugu audience.
yeah.
Lucifer was amazing.
Lucifer was amazing. All credits to Prithviraj, I think.
Dude, yeah, it's his first movie as a director, man.
He's a very intelligent guy. You should see the way he speaks also. Prithviraj is like super intelligent. I've always found him.
Mori.
Oh yeah.
That's
Have I seen Mori only like 100 times?
Yeah.
I had the CD with me.
Masterpiece,
His family say like money.
Yeah.
Safe, nothing.
Yeah, that's like the cushion for like
But
family
the
entertainers,
recent
man.
Malayalam movie that I saw, and I
You
think
say
most
bad
people
movies are
haven't
much.
seen it.
Prema.
Which one?
Jallikattu.
Jallikattu.
Okay,
True, even I haven't watched it yet.
I
Yeah.
was one. If you see, like,
It's gone to the Oscars, right?
I don't want to give
Yeah,
any
yeah.
spoilers out there, but it's a one movie which I saw. And I'm like, wow,
Right.
great.
Yeah,
It's
எல்லாரும்
actually pretty good because it literally exploits like and like brings to the surface the real human nature. And stuff.
I'm just picturing Jallikattu playing Telugu.
You mean
audience.
the carnal nature of some human beings, right?
Yeah, not some human beings, like how different humans think in different perspectives
Right.
for the same situation, and ends up being just a battle for survival anyway.
Right.
So and that's
And you're like a normal typical audience, they wouldn't like react to this. A lot of people saw Jallikattu because that was India's official entry, I guess. Yeah. So
yeah.
adula
I mean, that's quite a step up from Gully Boy, so I think.
I mean, I didn't read
Yes.
about this, I heard about it.
see, Gully Boy is a very great movie,
but
I
it is not that original,
Keep
man.
it like this. I feel when you go to a movie, just like see a movie like with no explanation. When you see a review, even if you would have liked the movie, you're like, okay, the review said the editing's not the great. Aha, maybe they're right. It changed your mindset. I've seen a movie called
Influencing,
General's
yeah.
Daughter.
Right.
It was 22% on Rotten Tomatoes, but I love the movie. So I feel I should change my mind. Same thing with The Master. People like
Right.
it's a Vijay movie. It's going to sound stupid.
No.
There's a man. Like I mean, we
Same
have the
thing.
mindset.
Same thing with Vishwarupam too. People wrote shitty reviews about it, but I always like to watch a movie with a neutral perspective.
Yeah.
Even if I do read the reviews, I read the reviews for the writing. I want to see how they've written about it. Yeah.
How is Sadhar going to be, Amar?
I think it's going to be good, man. Because
Okay.
I'm going to say that I'm going to go out of the way and say that because the director has worked really hard for the movie.
Okay.
I know the amount of effort he's put into it. Yeah, I'm in the movie, but
We'll do it. No, I really want to ask you 1 second.
Yeah.
He's in the movie. He's not lead. You're asking how do you think the movie is going to be?
Yeah, I know.
What do you think of the
I know.
podcast? I hate
no,
it.
no, no. I'm still going to be objective only.
Yeah.
Because if we are objective, we're going to improve upon our previous work, right? So, but I know how much work he's put into it. He started doing his prep work 2 years before the movie shooting began. Yeah, all the CG and all the designing and stuff he started in
Nice.
2016 or 17. We started shooting in 2018. So that's the amount of work he's put into it because he wants to deliver Hollywood standards for our audience.
Okay.
How much I kind of get it? You can tell whatever you want. I think it's better. Say it to my face. Say that one more time. Thank you, Kathakal.
But I mean, I'm excited. Are you releasing it like all over India? Or
Yeah, we want to release it in 4 languages. That's what we're trying to do.
Can you imagine?
Quadrilingual.
can I be your dub for Hindi?
Yes, we are going to dub the trailer in Hindi. So you
What's
totally
going on? Shout outs and
Hindi
fun.
नहीं मालूम.
Can you
How much
imagine?
Hindi is good anyway?
Yeah, I'm going to dub for myself in the Hindi version.
Wait,
Can
you
you
speak
imagine?
Hindi?
Yeah, I do speak Hindi.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
I'm going to change settings.
No, I definitely need a lot of practice, but I can
He
manage.
just knows how to curse the chart.
Yeah, you know what? We'll do a separate episode. Like we'll talk about how. No, not. Okay, we talk about like the podcast.
Put one pun in
podcast.
your mouth.
No. Aarti, waiting. Imagine us still cameoing a Sator. Like, so things. Oh, no, hi, mom. Like, so, yeah, I'm at stop. Hi, mom. Call the family.
Yeah, you could have called us, man. What the hell? You could have called us to cameo.
I didn't know you guys back then. Also, I would have. Yeah.
சும்மா சொன்னங்கயா.
மூஞ்சி தெரியாது அந்த மாதிரி. But no, I mean, like, son, that's
Okay.
a great thing, man. I mean, having a movie or
You know, if you want to finish the wraps up with a bang, you know, we're speaking all rubbish and everything, and you're, you know, we're like growing up, this guy is a father, gonna be a father. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
If the cat's out of the bag,
Yes.
Yeah, that's true. We announced yesterday.
his son's gonna see this podcast episode and be like, my
Wait,
God.
wait.
Oh, you
what
said
do you
son.
got
You
there?
think it's going to be a son?
Huh?
Even I don't know yet. You know?
I am
God bless casual sexism. Like,
No, I want I think our daughter would be good. I want to see.
Same pins, you know, black pins.
What?
I also would want.
No,
a daughter
I'm
to-
okay with anything, but whatever you said sounded really cute. So thank you.
Amar is like, I don't care. It's a baby and I have anxiety right now.
right now, thanks guys. Like, is there a big bag anywhere?
No, because I mean, I cannot relate to you. I'm still young.
we didn't come play.
I like,
Dude,
this is
yeah,
Like, I was asking. Kaushik,
Like I
how-
said, you know, like there are people like Alex. Even they're 40, they don't look 40.
Yeah. Dude, you're 30, right?
Yeah, I'm 30 now. Yeah.
Kaushik's 28.
Why? Why is that funny, Kaushik? Why is it funny?
Would like to wrap the saying, fuck all of you. Fuck your 30-year-old ass. Fuck
Just
everything.
when you think things were getting better.
Kaushik is going to turn
Hey.
29. Why? Because I am editing the whole fucking thing. Why? That's why.